Hi there. I'm here to rescue you from the notion that 3D has to be boring and super technical. It doesn't. I'm Iris Muddy, an artist working in games and animation. This class is all about making expressive, stylized, impressionistic 3D imagery. I want to introduce you, or potentially reintroduce you, depending on your prior experience, to one of my best friends, Blender. For me, Blender is a protagonist in my story, in my life. Blender and I go on a lot of fun adventures, and I'd love for you to feel the same. But for some, it could be an antagonist, somebody more boring, intimidating, strict, complicated, somebody who you don't know enough about them, and then every time you talk to them, you have to kind of do the work again to remember all the things you forgot from last time you interacted. What I'm referring to is when, you open Blender, you haven't been there 6 months, a year, more, and you forgot all the menus, you forgot all the buttons, all the shortcuts. I've tried to bring together the right amount of intuitive insight and technical explanation so that you leave this class equipped with the right amount of knowledge to create expressive images. You might not know every single thing about 3D, neither do I, and you'll see that, but I think it will be enough to tell a good story and to keep learning with a positive outlook on where 3D fits into your overall journey. And I think that's the most important for me. Seeing how it expands your journey, not only the things you are capable of doing skill-wise, but also just in your mind, how you envision your pieces, how fun they are, how exciting they are, just how far they can go. And to me, that's really exciting. That's how I feel that 3D and VR and things like that have contributed to my own journey. And I feel like a lot of that has to do with how I approach it. There's a lot of different ways to look at things, right? And so that's one of the things I want to share in this class, Befriending Blender. So with that said, I hope you'll join me on the journey to telling more expressive stories with your 3D. See you there. Bye.